Hi guys, welcome back to another hot video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do, because it helps our community to keep growing and it also motivates me to continue searching for content that inspires conversations around issues that affect relationships, marriages, parenting, and quality of life in general. After watching episode 19 of Uthando Nesithembu, I just sat down and I just reflected on everything, Jay. I think it's safe to say that most of us were deeply touched by episode 19, which is why I didn't do a reaction or a review of that episode, because I was just too drained. It just dawned on me, this family was going through it. It just made me think about how far we have come in Nali's show. I decided to check out Kesana, some of the early assumptions that people had before the show became a huge hit. Then Kesana, at the end, we can decide for ourselves whether people were correct in their observations noma nje they judged the show too early. Ake sibheke ukuthi abantu babecabangani ngoThando Nesithembu 8 years ago. And then the first comment is from Uhlengiwe. Uhlengiwe wathi 8 years ago, uMacele uyi-stock nonsense, akusinekwa laphaya, uMayeni u-down to earth engathi uzilungele, uMakhumalo uyi-favorite yakhe, so far u-chilled, relaxed, she is fun and they connect nomyeni wakhe, akukho stress nje, kumnandi ekhaya. uMayenga, she is submissive, shuthi ke uMayenga shuthi basho uMangwabe, ayi sana. And then uNobuhle uthi took what we considered as into yakudala and modernized it. Bravo baba, and to women here, well done Bosisi. Ekugcineni people should know ukuthi umuntu wesilisa uyena osuke ehlulwa isithembu. And then ke uNontokozo yena wathi, does hubby have a timetable for visiting his wives? Because guys, that was one of our questions kesana ukuthi how does he balance all of these wives, ngoba siyazi ke umuntu mayedwa nje uwedwa nje endodeni yakho, you know ukuthi you have demands about equality time, so how does he balance yonke lento le? And now that the truth has been revealed, sesiyibonelile ukuthi it's not as easy as they make it out to be. It's more complicated than that, because sineyidingo as people, and sometimes nje the sikhathi lesabanikwa sona nje is not enough, and sometimes uyabona ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ubuyabe nesikhwele ukuthi ulale endlini kabani. Ngoba ke sekuzongena ku number 5, there is still that question ukuthi how are they going to split isikhathi ndawonye. Ingcono ke umamkhulu useyikhiphile, but ngoba we know ukuthi mekusakhona umuntu omusha, definitely the husband is going to spend more time with that new wife. And if you guys remember, uMakhumalo actually mentioned nje some years ago, esho ukuthi ngesikhathi efika uMangwabe into the family, she had to sacrifice some of her days ukuthi uMseleku aspende isikhathi noMangwabe. I think she even said ukuthi uMangwabe had to sleep endlini yakhe uMakhumalo, because angazi the living arrangements ayi kanjani, but nje she had to sacrifice leso sikhathi sakhe nomyeni wakhe in order for the new wife to be accommodated, ajwayele ukuspend isikhathi nomyeni wakhe. Hey guys, and we even forgot ukuthi lento ka number 5 yayikhona even 8 years ago. Umsele was already thinking about taking number 5, ngoba uyabona uLungi lapha ethi tell ubaba uMsele I need to be number 5, because uyayibona lempilo ephilwayo, ngoba phela kwakupenda isithombe engathi nje everything is rosy, philwa kamnandi ku right. And now we see ukuthi kuyashisa ngempela, kuyashisa, ngoba if awuyazi ngempela into ezele uzoyithola usenkingeni. Uveli-ke yena wabuza ukuthi omama abanaso yini isikhwele, especially if you introduce your new lover to your first wife, abaxabani yini? uNomathemba uthi first wife ngathi unoshiki nje. And then uSiphindile uthi I would like to know what he does for a living, because it just does not make sense how you can sustain 4 wives nje niwe right ney'ngane eziwu-10. And Kesana, now we know ukuthi it's actually not easy, because remember uMacele complaining ukuthi sometimes she takes care of iy'ngane zabanye amakhosikazi and she doesn't get a thank you. Even umuntu afake nje isandla, mhlawumbe afake imali or whatever ukuze iy'ngane ihleli idlile, everything has to come from her. And then we saw her just asking for a little bit extra money ukuze akwazi ukwenza izinto zakhe. And then ke sakhumbula reaction kaMseleku being very, upset or annoyed or irritated asazi, saying that already he runs Isithembu Sakhe njenge-institution, so no one should be asking for more than what they are getting because it's more than enough. Isanda kuqala nje ishow singakajwayeli ngisho ukuyijwayela uPalisa was already saying ukuthi nje I cannot stand the first wife usile shame, and then ayanza uthi uMakhumalo really enjoys umshado wakhe. Hey kwakusamnandini guys isaqala uNelly wathi uMakhumalo loves limelight. Hey guys, that was the first thing that people actually noticed ngayo ukuthi nje mase kumele kukhulunywe, she's the first one nje ukukhuluma nje to say her opinion without nje fear or favor, ebukeka ngathi nje ufuna ngempela ukuthandwa or always wanting to seem like she agrees with indoda yakhe ekubeni lamanye ama-wives disagree. And we see that ukuthi knowing what we know now guys, like she really has changed. She really has changed, or maybe she realized ukuthi what, she had to take a side like, not necessarily meaning ukuthi why agree naye, but now usebonile ukuthi whether you agree or disagree ekugcineni nje the man is going to do what the man wants to do. And then kesana Ignatia uthi Thando Nesithembu, oh God, I wouldn't mind to be the fifth wife and live that luxurious life. Hi yayinhle nalendoda bo, hi ngajuluka. Yo guys, how times have changed. Kesana ngoba manje nje abantu say some people just don't agree with lendoda number 5, but nje years ago people were also thinking about it ukuthi hey nami shame I wouldn't mind because the life nje ibukeka inhle. But now we know ukuthi hey, all that glitters is not gold ngempela, ngoba nawe ungangena ngaphakathi mhlawumbe utshela ukuthi you gonna live that life, but kesana nawe komele ngempela as umfazi uvuke wenze something just ukuthi nje to make do, ngoba awazi ngempela ubuya kuhle ngaphandle but mase ubhekisisa ngaphakathi kuningi nje okungacacile kahle. uShasha yena wathi uMayeni is camera shy bandla. Maybe cameras intimidate her. I get a feeling that she's hiding her true personality. I thought that was interesting, but as you guys know manje ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani uMayeni, but I think also it's because of the trauma that has built up over the years. Esemenze nje wa explode, because mhlambe at first she was like, you know what, let me just be calm, ngithule nje, mind my own business. Wazobona ukuthi yabo ukuthula kusizi, and she started talking. And then ke uTumelo uthi the second wife doesn't look happy in that marriage. What's the problem? Guys, the problem was ukuthi yay kahle kwakumele bewokuqala, and then because life was lifing bahlukana ke, then eventually uMseleku washada ke uMacele, and then kwase kwashadwa ke uMasawule, then kwase kwashada yena. So basically ngabe number 3 if uMasawule was still alive. So that could make anyone just angry and bitter, guys, to be honest. Uliseko uti no, she is just pretending. She doesn't like the whole thing. Remember, she is originally the first wife. Just watch. Eventually, she's gonna bust Kaniti. And guys, and when that happened, guys, it was just terrible to see ngempela, just realizing nje the lies nje ayetshelwe wona all these years nje, realizing ukuthi nje your whole life nje is a lie. And then ke uNozi was really curious, ebuza ukuthi I would like to know ukuthi lo baba uhola malini if esebenza makwenziwa igrosa yemali engaka, but I know iholo lakhe is confidential. Also ngabe bayesebenza yini omama? If besebenza omama bona bayenzani imali yabo? UNokhanya uthi I think kulama interviews from TV, radio phela ngeke baziveze inkinga ababa nazo, zona zikhona vele nama weaknesses abo. Bona Isithembu basiveza engathi into enhle, yona yinhle ngoba niyazana nonke ukuthi bengekho kumina okubani, but besizothanda kuvezwe ama challenges esithembu ngoba abantu babona engathi into elula, kumele bazi ukuthi mabengena yini abazohlangabezana nayo, but there are challenges. I think I have to agree with this comment, because I remember ngesikhathi ngiqala nami ukusibuka uThando Nesithembu ukuthi like they trying to sell this image ukuthi nje everything is okay, bonke ba happy, bonke ba united. when we knew ukuthi isithembu sinjani, even though vele some of us didn't grow up kwisithembu, but we know nje ukuthi abantu nje they are not perfect. Nje ngeke nizwane, ngeke nikwazi ukuzwana as females, as women, nishara indoda eyodwa. So when everything started to unravel, we were like, we knew. I think bona they were so focused on trying to sell, especially Umseleki was trying to sell this thing ukuthi nje isithembu si-right, you know, men should do it, nje kulula ma uyindoda nje, that's how you show your manhood. But like, we knew ukuthi they were gonna get to this point. I just didn't think it was gonna be this late. I mean, I thought yabonje season 8 mhlawumbe like at season 2 sasothola this drama ending ku season 8, because that's how life is. We know how we are as people when it comes to relationships, you know, marriages. We know each other, guys. Ujabs uthi Mayeni and Bali are so unhappy and uncomfortable. That's probably why they have day jobs. Looks like they are working their way out. I hope they are doing just that so that they can be free from Umacele and their spineless hubby. You only have to watch one episode to see how frustrating Isthembu is. They can't fake it kubantu. Ayiko injabulo. Umacele is a bitter bully and she's sucking the joy out of these two wives. Thankfully, Umakhumalo is stronger. Yay guys, that is a strong statement, because knowing what we know now, like, I have to agree when it comes to indaba kaMacele kancane, because she can be a bully, you know, especially to everyone that came after her. In some way, somehow, she has that. And unakho-ke lokho okuvumelana nendoda yakhe, when the other wives are uniting against an issue, akathandi ukuthi abumbane nalama emakhosikazi, because at the end of the day uyayi-separate her from them, akayiboni efana nabo. You know, still yena usayibona nje kuyena nobabakhe ney'ngane zakhe and these extra women empilweni yabo. And ke sana, still today siyabona nje ukuthi ayikho ngempela injabulo kwisithembu. Every day nje ngathi nje there's a fight nje about something, some issue, isancinza, number 5, this and that. Yabona nje there is no peace, there is no joy. I think each person creates their own happiness. But nje as a family, I don't think ukuthi kuba khona leyo unity, leyo peace, leyo njabulo. I don't think so. Namshem. But guess Hannah, I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please be sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe, so that we can grow our community and so that I can bring you guys more content. But guess Hannah, as always, thank you so much for the love and support. Ngizambona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.